Ryan Braun back in the lineup after missing 9 of Milwaukee's last 13 games with nagging left calf and hamstring injuries. First batter of the game, Corey Hart, not letting Barry Enright settle in. Takes him for a long ride to left center, number 13 on the year. Brewers take a 1-0 lead. After Nigel Morgan comes through with a base hit, Ryan Braun proves he's fully healthy.
Bronny sends it in the air to left and deep. Get up, get up, get out of here. Gone for Ryan Braun. And the Brewers lead it 3-0.
Braun's 17th of the year, he went 1 for 3. WTMJ with the call. Later in the frame, 1 on for Yuniesky Betancourt.
Betancourt sends one in the air to left, down the line. Get up! Get out of here! Gone for Betancourt. It's their 3rd home run in the inning. 2 more runs are in. It is 5-0.
WTMJ with the call. Skip ahead to the 6th. It's now 6-3. Brewers threatening, bases loaded, nobody out. Yency Brazoban walks Corey Hart, so Yuniesky Betancourt scores. Brewers pad their lead 7-3. Next batter, Nigel Morgan. Well, it doesn't get any better for Brazoban. He hits him with a pitch. So Jonathan Lucroy come on home. 8-3 Brewers. Next batter, Carlos Gomez. Well, what do you think he's going to do? He draws a walk, so no room for him. Giovanni Gallardo jogs home. That was it for Brazoban. He faced only those 3 batters, 9-3 Brewers. And they didn't have to do much work. Bottom of the frame, Gallardo's still dealing. And he knows how to hit the strike zone. Gets Steven Drew swinging. Later in the frame, gets Miguel Montero to fly out to right to end the inning. Gallardo went 6 innings, 3 runs, 1 earned on 4 hits and a walk. He struck out 6. Brewers cruise past the D-backs 11-3. Gallardo combined with 2 relievers on a 5-hitter to win for the 2nd time in 3 starts. Yuniesky Betancourt, Casey McGee, and Jonathan Lucroy had 3 hits apiece. Betancourt hit 2 homers and drove in 4 runs.